everybody, welcome back to Caden's Kitchen. Today we're making Grinch cookies. These are the ingredients. You'll need butter, sugar cookie mix, food coloring, flour, chocolate chips, sprinkles, and an egg. Now put the food coloring in the egg and beat it. Now add all the other ingredients except for chocolate and sprinkles. Mix well for 3 minutes. Next, scoop out some dough and form it around a Hershey kiss. Now top with sprinkles and bake for 10 minutes at 375. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. That's pretty good. Join us next time for Caden's Kitchen.